Hey guys, welcome back to Brighter Folks. Today we're taking a look at the AK33 from Ajazz, which is a mechanical gaming keyboard at under $60. We ordered the Ajazz AK33 online, and for your convenience we've placed a link in the description box below where you can see the full tech specs and more reviews. The keyboard arrived with only a USB cable and a plastic piece which is used to set the LED lights on the keyboard. We're still trying to figure out how to use that since there was no instructions included in the packaging. Once we removed the keyboard from the box, it felt like a sturdy, nice, well-built keyboard. The keys were very responsive and we had no complaints about the quality of the item for under $60. I did compare this keyboard to other more expensive brands and I couldn't find any noticeable difference. Unfortunately, the AK33 is not a Bluetooth keyboard. It is a hardwired USB keyboard, and that's fine with us. It would have been nice if instructions had been included. The only issue we found was not being able to control the volume from the keyboard, which I'm sure it's probably simple enough, but we didn't have enough time before we put this video together to figure it out. So other than that, the keyboard lit up as soon as we plugged it in and it looked great. Being a mechanical keyboard, when we were typing, it felt amazing. It really did make a difference from our previous keyboard to this mechanical keyboard. And if you're a gamer and you're looking for a budget-priced mechanical keyboard, I would say that the AK33 meets the requirement of most gamers. I'm sure if you have more money to spend, there are better keyboards out there, but at a budget price, this is the keyboard that you want to take a look at. Don't forget to check the description box below for a link to this keyboard. There might be a price drop as we speak, so you might want to check that out. And if you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe as we update the channel with more tech reviews, past and present. Our channel continues to grow, and it's because of viewers like you. So thank you, and see you guys in the next one.